Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, NoneType Object is not callable. The error message, TypeError, NoneType Object is not callable, typically occurs when you try to call a method or function on a variable that has a value of none. In Python, none is a special value that represents the absence of a value or a null value. When you try to call a method or function on a variable that has a value of none, you will get this error because none does not have any methods or functions that can be called. Here's an example of how this error can occur. When you run the code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, my_var has a value of none, and we're trying to call it like a function. Since none is not callable, we'll get the TypeError, NoneType Object is not callable. Error.to fix this error. You need to make sure that the variable you're calling a method or function on has a value that is not none. Check the code that's causing the error and make sure that all variables are assigned values before they're used, and that the values are of the correct type.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.